and all the suffering indigenous populations in the damnable zoological republic are set free. Chineke na nke pụrụ ihe niile Chukwu okike abịa onye na-efe na aja aha nsọ ya mma mgbe niile. Onye ọbụla na ya na-achị eluigwe n'ụwa na-agba akaebe ịhụnanya gị na ebere gị amara gị n'ọmịiko gị ebe ndị gị na-eze ebede ngọzi. Anyị wee na-etoghị agbanyeghị atụmatụ ọjọọ niile nke ndị iro. Iwe nye anyị ndụ ala nke dị n'uwere n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị wee na-asị na ịja mma niile otu niile dịrị aha nsọ gị. Onye ọbụla anyị aka ike niile na ọbadịrị aka ya. Anyị wee na-akpọku gị na-asị gị na nke ọma anyị ga-ekele gị nke ọjọọ ma anyị kelee gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị wee na-asọpụrụ gị n'isi ụmụ gị niile bụ ndị ikwu ndị wee ezi oku mgbe a kpọrọ ha ka ha wee chekwaa ala nsọ gị bụ Biafra onye nwe m na Chineke na ihe n'ikpere anyị nkwa na o mekataghị ka ndị iro wee were ala nsọ Biafra onye nwe m na Chineke na nke bi n'igwe agbanyeghị atụmatụ ọjọọ niile nke ndị iro ma ndị na-agba mgbagba ebe niile dị iche iche onye nwe m na Chineke nna n'ihere bụ nke ndị dị etu a n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị wee na-eto gị wee na-asị onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile onye ọbụla anyị a na-azọpụta onye ọbụ naanị ya bụ okwu ya niile bụ ihe na amen. Anyị wee na-asị ezi ebube dị ngọzi na ọtụtụ na-eja mma na nsọpụrụ site n'ebighị ebi ma ruo n'ebighị ebi. Ise ise ise.
Welcome, my amazing viewers. Thank you so much for joining me on my program once again. I appreciate you wherever you are joining from. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you be notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you so much and remain blessed. If you are joining me from Africa, Asia, Europe, America, Australia, or any part of the world, I thank you very much for your contribution. Please, each time you watch my video, go to the comment section and put down your comments. That is where we learn from each other. We learn a lot from the comment section. I don't speak alone. I am speaking with you. You can equally contribute. You can criticize if you so desire, but do it constructively so that we can learn from one another. That is why we are here. Thank you so much for joining. Remember, you have to say what is happening in your own area. Whatever happens, if you see something, say something. Don't be silent. We cannot allow the conventional media to continue to change the narrative. We cannot allow the conventional media to continue to play down the situation. We will continue to bring the situation the way it is and say it straight the way it is without hating anybody. We are not preaching hate speech. We are not talking down anybody. We say leave and let's leave. And for those who say we will not leave, just like the Fulani Janjaweed have said, they will not leave either.
Done day by day. And other grounds upon which we informed the court to bring back the matter. So the matter was adjourned for hearing today. The court now brought the matter back to here for hearing today. And today the court granted an application. So by running through the diary, the court also demonstrated to us, not only us, to everybody in court, that from this moment to January, that Shadawari will not accommodate this case because the courts, Federal High Court, the whole federation is going on vacation on 14th. But consequently, he granted this application adjourned to 18th of February for hearing of application challenging the competence of the Child and Judicial Court to hear the matter. Which, if the court hear it, that will be an end to this case. But however, the court proceeded upon our application to resolve those concerns we raised in our press conference a few weeks back about how he's being treated in the prison detention facility, how he's being tortured psychologically, how he's not being well cared for, and how he hasn't changed his clothes. He was abducted in Kenya on 26th of June 2021 and brought to Nigeria. So these are concerns we raised, and court granted all of them today. And consequently directed us that first of all, the SSS should endeavor to comply with our orders. And the court also assured us that if in the event they refuse to comply with any of the orders he made today, that we should come back to court, regardless of the fact that the court is going on vacation. They should allow his medical expert to see him. They should change his cell. They should also give him good food. They should also allow him to change his clothes. So so many others court granted today to ensure that between now and the next adjourned date, he's being well cared for. So that is part of the takeaway, substantial, fundamental takeaway we have from court today. So, and what we are assuring you people today is that we're not relenting. We are craving and seeking for your maximum support in the circumstance. Understanding, listen to our admonitions, and also believe that we are not leaving any stone unturned to ensure that he's released unconditionally. That's what I'm saying. So be assured that before the next adjourned date, he will regain his freedom. I can assure of that. Thank you so much. So thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. The God will guide and protect you. Thank you so much. So where is him now?
Holy, 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 holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior.
So this is the end of the court today. Biafrans, you all heard it from the horse's mouth. Our barrister EJIOFOR and lawyer Jimako, they are just leaving the court premises now. These are Biafrans who have come here in numbers to stand in solidarity to our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As you can see, they are in their good numbers. Biafrans are in their good now. We'll be ending this as a concord.
Yes, we came for the court. That's it.
Circumstance I may not wish to now. Afterwards, the matter was returned to January 1920. So, in view of the enabling laws, particularly the CJA and Federal Court Policy Direction, which require the hearing of application prior of the case of this nation, day to day, we filed an application for the time within which we hear this application, this matter, we agreed. So that application was filed and served on the respondent, and it was slated for hearing. So, and the court had it today, consequently granted the application for compliance. Though the court took us through the tight schedule, diary, and obviously it's apparent that the court may not be able to accommodate this day, but the Federal High Court is on vacation on 14th of this month. So, and other engagement, the official engagement is not cheap, we have. So, now adjourned to 18th of January to hear the application challenging the decision of the court to end the charge. So that application is very fundamental. Fundamental in the sense that if it's ruled in our favor, that will bring to an end this charge. And it's rooted on strong laws, facts, and arguments in law. Because we of the view, firm view in law, that the 7-count charge, the charge filed against our client, defendant, is not only watery but empty and a worthless weapon. So, and we effectively challenge it, and we are of the firm view and believe strongly in law that that application we found a meritorious way to start. However, you are familiar with the fact that we raised concerns a few days ago, me and my colleague raised concerns a few days ago through our press statement about his condition in DSS, how he's been subjected to confinement, how his medical experts are not allowed to see him, how the court orders are being flouted with levity by the SSS officials, external authority. So we raised those concerns, and courts made several orders today. First of all, that his place of detention should be changed. Two, that the DSS should allow medical experts to visit him, and they should comply with orders of the court, and also provide him with good food, and also allow persons of his choice to also visit him and allow him to practice his faith. Because before now, he hasn't been allowed to practice his faith. So the court made order today to allow him to practice his faith today, and also giving good food. So these are among the fundamental orders court made today, and they are rolling out those orders today. And of course, we in court. The court said in the event the detaining authority, the DSS, who has been in the practice of disobeying and violating court orders, flout the order made by the court today, we should come back to court anytime when that is done. So, and we believe strongly that this time around they will comply with court order. So, in the days past, we have had cause to come before this court to file contempt proceedings against the DGSSS following their flagrant disobedience to court orders. And those applications haven't been had. And we have also incorporated the facts of the manner in which they are flouting this court order, and itemize the orders of the court which they're flouting. So those applications are still before the court will inform the court. The court may run out and say, if in the event they proceed to flout any of these orders, the court handed down to them, we should come back to court. And we believe that they will obey court orders made today. We believe strongly, most strongly. So we are coming back on January 18th for the hearing of the application challenging the decision of the court on the 18th of January. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, and if I may add, as you can see from our countenance, we're not too pleased with the result of the proceedings today. No, we're not too pleased. We walked away with something, but that's not really what we wanted. We wanted to move that application, challenging the jurisdiction of the court. That is key to our defense strategy. But that we were not able to move that application today is not pleasing to us. But we can understand the procedural constraints within which the court had to operate today. We went through all that, and it was something quite a little bit out of ordinary. But at least we went home. We're going home with some improvement in our client's detention conditions. It's something that has been critical in our own reckoning, and we got that improvement as court order today. Thank you very much.
People who don't come to court and celebrated
Thank you so much for your patience to watch from the beginning to the end. I hope you have learned something from the video you have just watched. The video you have just watched is to bring information to your doorstep and for educational purpose. It is not to demonize anybody. Let us watch continuously and see who can be able to make a sense out of every nonsense we are seeing. We must continue. We move. It doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter what they say. They will kill us. We will kill them. At the end of the day, Biafra is here. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye-bye. See you again.